This video describes the pre-operation inspection, starting and stopping of the P5500 and P6500 generators. Always perform the recommended pre-operation inspections before each use and when removing the generator from storage. If inspection reveals any concerns, service the generator promptly or visit your authorized Polaris dealer. Lock the wheels prior to operation. Engage the wheel lock by pushing the handle firmly downward. Next, inspect the engine oil level. Ensure the generator is on a flat, level surface. Clean the area around the dipstick. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe clean. Reinstall the dipstick into the filler neck without screwing it in. Remove the dipstick again to inspect the oil level. Add oil as needed with the included funnel through the fill hole. Ensure the oil level reaches the upper mark on the dipstick. New generators will be shipped without oil. Reinstall the dipstick and wipe up any residual oil. In a well-ventilated area, check the fuel level and refuel as needed. First, remove the fuel tank cap. Then, carefully add fuel as needed. Do not fill above the upper mark and use caution when handling gasoline. Tighten the fuel cap securely. Position the fuel switch to off for storage or on to operate the generator. Always move the generator away from the fueling source and site before starting the engine. Inspect the exhaust system for leakage. Tighten or replace the gasket if needed. Inspect the choke lever for smooth operation. Ensure the generator is resting on a level surface to prevent spills or tip over. Remove any flammable material away from the generator, especially near the hot exhaust system. After completing the pre-operation inspection, you can now start your generator. First, ensure all power cords and extension cords are unplugged from the generator. Then, position the fuel switch to the on position. Set the choke to the closed position for a cold engine or open for a warm engine. Turn the ignition switch to the start position. When the engine starts, release the key and switch the choke to the open position as the engine warms up. Avoid operating the starter for more than 10-second intervals and add 5-second breaks in between engine cranking to avoid starter damage. To start the engine with the recoil, start by turning the ignition switch to the run position. Lightly pull the starter recoil until resistance is felt. Then, firmly pull straight out and return it gently to prevent damage to the recoil. If the choke lever was positioned to close to start the engine, move it to open as the engine warms up. In case of emergency, turn the ignition key to the off position to stop the engine. Continually stopping the generator with a load applied can lead to damage of the control module. Under normal conditions, stop the engine with the following procedure. Shut off or disconnect all appliances connected to the generator. Turn the ignition key switch to the off position. And lastly, turn the fuel valve switch to the off position. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.